Yo, what's up, y'all? This your boy again, and today we got another skin fade haircut for you guys. First and foremost, I am balding out the bottom, but before we get started, let me ask y'all, before we get started, I want to mention that we are currently enrolling new students to Custom Made Barber School. So if you're interested in becoming a barber and becoming your own boss, don't forget to hit us up at custommadebarberschool.com. All right, now we pretty much balled out the bottom, and right now I got the 1.5 guard. I got the lever opened all the way, and I'm pretty much just clearing the leaves on the tree, is what we call it. And once I did that, I got all the weight out of the way, and now I'm using my no guard with the lever opened all the way. Okay, pretty straightforward. This is my fade technique. So we first off started off by emptying out the bottom, okay? Drawing our initial guideline, balding out the bottom. Then we grabbed the 1.5 and we removed most of the weight out of the way. After doing so, I grabbed my no guard, opened it all the way, and now I'm using my no guard closed, and I'm erasing that bottom line that I created initially, okay? Then what I did was I went halfway with the no guard, okay? So right now what I have is the 1 guard, and I got the 1 guard opened all the way, and I'm going between the no guard and then that 1.5 guard that I initially, well, the second step that I did to clear the leaves off the tree, okay? Right now I'm just clearing the way, trying to get a good feel for things, and pretty much showing y'all the steps, okay? Now, if y'all got lost somewhere in that description, don't forget to hit pause and go back and rewind, okay? So y'all can get exactly what I did, all right? So now that I've used that 1 guard, open, closed, and halfway, now I'm using the half guard in between, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and restate that for y'all. I used the bald line, cleared out the bottom, then I used the 1.5 to clear out the way, clear out the weight. Then from there, no guard, open, close, and halfway, and then I went to the 1 guard, open, close, and halfway. Okay? Then I used the half guard right between the no guard and the 1 guard. Now what I'm using is the 3 guard just to kind of remove a lot of that bulk around the top, so I can shape the haircut, okay? All I'm doing is shaping it up, rounding it off, okay? That way it don't have a big bulge at the top. So right now, what I did was I grabbed my 1.5 guard again, and I'm right here in between that 1.5 and that 3 that I just used, okay? And all I did was pretty much got in between, and I'm shaping it, making sure I knock all the lines out, all the weight out, and just trying to make it transition properly, okay? Now I know this sounds kind of confusing, but if you slow this video down and pay attention and rewind from time to time, go back and look at it again, it'll show you exactly how I got this medium skin fade. And so right now I got my 1 guard again, and I'm just kind of doing a little detail work, trying to get rid of any excess weight that I got right there in between that 1 and that 1.5. Okay, so at this point right here, I'm gonna go ahead and draw my vertical butt line. Okay, make sure you got it pointed to the corner of the eye. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go start on top. Start in the middle, work my way to the right. You guys got any questions? Don't forget to hit me in the comments. Like, subscribe, share. Hit me up on custommadebarberschool.com. Thank y'all. See y'all soon. Peace.